Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, today's video is perfect for you. We're going to walk through how to send Dogecoin from Bitmart to your Arculus wallet in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always remember to prioritize security to protect your assets. First, ensure you have a Bitmart account with Dogecoin in it and that your Arculus wallet is set up and ready. Double-check your wallet address before starting. It's crucial to avoid any costly mistakes. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account using your credentials. Once you're in, head to the Wallets or Assets section on the dashboard. Step 2. Find Dogecoin in your asset list and click on it. Look for the Withdraw option and select it to begin the process. Step 3. Enter your Arculus wallet address. Make sure to copy and paste it directly from your wallet app to prevent typos. Accuracy is key here. Step 4. Specify the amount of Dogecoin you want to send. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees or minimum limits that Bitmart might have in 2025. Step 5. Review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the address, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, proceed to enable any required two-factor authentication. Step 6. Confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a transaction ID, and that's it. Your Dogecoin is on its way. The transfer usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network traffic. A quick tip for 2025. Crypto platforms like Bitmart might update their interfaces, so always check for the latest guidelines. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.